Rotate, flip, crop, and enhance images with AI using our image editor. From the single file view, click the Image Editor button in the File action bar to open the Image Editor modal. From the modal, you can rotate the image, flip it, or use our AI enhancement tools. Remove the background, erase foreground objects, blur the background with a selected intensity. Replace the background using a prompt. Or, copy the file ID of any other image in your workspace and use it as a reference. Expand the background by height and width to extend the image. And increase the resolution of smaller images to 2 or 4 times the original size. Or, use our cropping tool to crop your image to preset social media sizes or saved presets. Select your size, resize the visible space. Do a simple one-time download. Or save your cropped file as a new version or file edition. File Editions will save your crop to the Editions tab in your single file view. Editions are not searchable in your workspace by default, but you can click Show in Workspace to create a new file. Separated editions can inherit the same file access as the original file or be changed in the access modal.